Hi everyone, Alistair Grigg here. Today I'll be reviewing an iPhone and iPad app simply called ShoppingList. So let's open up ShoppingList and begin. As you can see, the app has a nice clean interface. Note that this review is of the iPad version of the app, however the iPhone version is very similar, simply with a little bit less screen real estate. One of the things I look for in a ShoppingList app are features like remembering previously used items, categories, and having multiple lists. But at the same time, the app needs to be easy to use. Let's test ShoppingList features by pressing the Add Item button, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. The list automatically includes an item I've added previously, milk. If I wanted to, I could select this item again simply by pressing on it. Now, what could I want? I'm a student, so I need caffeine, and I'm doing an advertising course, so let's go for something nice and cliche, like Coke. Now I can select a category, drinks in this instance, and this will help to sort the shopping list. Categories can be really useful, especially when grocery shopping. Having said that, you don't want categories to be too complex or difficult to use. To add or modify a category in ShoppingList, you simply tap where it states "Tap here to edit categories." Now, to add a category, press the plus button and type in a relevant category. Once done, hit Add, and voila, your category has now been added. To move away from the category section, tap anywhere else on the screen, and you can now add a new product using the category that has been created. Tap on the name section, enter the product name, hit Done, and then scroll down to the appropriate category and click on it. Tap the Add Item button in the top right, and this item will be added to the list. By pressing the shopping list button at the top of the page, just to the left of the center, we can see how our shopping list looks. As you can see, due to the way that we've categorized our list, our shopping experience should be more simplified when we next go, especially if we start adding a few more items. We can actually create and add a completely different list if we want to, and this is done by pressing the New List button, which is found on the left-hand side of the screen underneath the list menu. Once clicked, input the name of an appropriate list, click the Add button, and then the list will appear underneath our existing shopping list. This process can be repeated as many times as is appropriate. Another nifty feature of this app is the ability to share lists with others, even if they don't have the app. Simply clicking on the envelope near the bottom right and hitting Send All Items will add the list to an email for easy sharing. There is also a sharing feature which allows the app to be synchronized between multiple devices. Overall, the app is functional whilst retaining an interface which is easy to use and without any noticeable drawbacks. There is a free version available which is worth testing, however if you're looking for an easy to use and reliable shopping list app, I'd recommend supporting Hensoft and paying a few dollars for the full version. Well, that's it for me for now. I hope you enjoyed this review.